I feel like microplastics have been in the news so much, and people know they exist but don't really know what that actually means.
My name is Natasha Krieger. I go to the University of Wisconsin-Madison. Microplastics are any plastic particles that are smaller than 5 millimeters.
So that's a microplastic.
Because it's kind of a new field, our goal was to develop more of a standard method for extracting them. So we've been working on a way to use like a mason jar.
This is like a steel mesh filter. Basically what we do is we put it on here, we tip it upside down, and use compressed air.
My hope is that we would be able to distribute this as some sort of kit for people to use. The goal is to help make microplastics more understandable for people. Because it's such a new field, there's a lot of open-ended questions that don't really have answers yet. So I think it would be really cool to be a part of that in the future.
This goes in the oven for 3 days.